Savage Scientist Ed Neal. We are live from the 1635th Baptist, Pentecostal, Catholic, Buddhist temple, atheist gathering spot in Primeburg Swampland. Here we have a special event down here in the great state of Swampland. We'll be laying to rest a very important figure in our tech lives. Today we'll be celebrating the life of the Samsung physical home button. It was a great, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, a great 6 years with this button. I remember having old phones like this with no physical home button. As the Galaxy S8 comes out tomorrow, now we are celebrating what we had. You know, thanks to the great gods, also known as Samsung Corporation of Korea, came up with some great research and made this, our friend, the physical home button. No button is more physical than the home button today. God damn it. We live in the days where it's the last day that you're going to have a physical home button on your mother effing phone. You know what you got to do? You got to button this little bottom screen that light up, and you got to hit the button on the damn phone, and then you can't pull your give me some music. All right, back in action now. The physical home button, it will be joining its brother, the headphone jack. We used to have this damn thing, plug this in the bottom of our phone, and now it will be joining the home buttons. Amen. A brother will be put to rest tonight, because tomorrow there will be no more. The Samsung Galaxy 8 will be released, missing our good friend, the home button. You check out some of my previous videos where I did some great hacks with this button. This button was part of my everyday life. I did not have to turn the screen on to end the phone call. I did not have to look at the phone to end the call. See? It was a time where you used to hit a button on the phone and end the call. Then this touchscreen stuff came along. Let me tell you about it. 2007 when that iPhone came out. God damn it. Yeah, give me an amen in the church today. Lime County is lit up. Back in 2007, the iPhone came on out. It was the phone that's supposed to have been to change the world. But did it change the world, or did it become a nuisance, a problem? Yeah, that devil know how to creep up on y'all ass like it ain't no tomorrow. It's just like this right here, this Jack Daniels. It's coming for you. Damn, that's some good shit. But that good old home button, we all know it on that Samsung. But now, Samsung is joining the forces of Lucky Gold Star, LG, with no home button. Button on the back of the phone. Putting buttons on the back of the phone. That's the new thing. We might have a home button back here, but I doubt it. Samsung is doing some new shit. So what we gonna do today? We gonna lay our brother to rest. Doom 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 doom. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. You dun dun. Yeah. All right. So the program is about to start now. We are at the some big number church. This church here is been down in this part of town for a long time. And we saw the home button come in every day in the hands of many of our pilgrimage and many of our parishioners, whatever you want to call them. Everybody had a Galaxy Note, a Galaxy S5, S3, SX. They had the cheap ones and the expensive ones. But now, everybody about to see those phones are going to slowly fade away. And everybody's going to have to be stuck with a phone that's looking alike. Yeah. Apple didn't get rid of their home button. Not yet anyway. But now we're going to be stuck with no Samsung home button. So what you going to do? You're going to have to find another way to hit that in that call. You can't end that call by triple tapping that home button now, goddammit. What you going to do when you want in your call? I don't know. Because Samsung didn't release the S8 yet. Tomorrow, we're going to find out what's going to happen with that button. That button is gone. But now, let us bow our heads down to a great soldier in the war of simplification. Mighty Samsung, I think y'all fucked up when y'all got rid of the home button with this S8. I think it was a bad decision, yeah. Go again for cussing with this cross right in front of me. But the Samsung Galaxy 8 is a mistake. By getting rid of that old home button, they gonna make it so hard to end your phone calls. I'm used to my phone calls being ended with that. But you know what? HTC bought it back though. Back in May 2011, select versions of the Galaxy S2 had home buttons, physical home buttons. While everybody, all the other ones, the T-Mobiles and all that stuff had the little 4 buttons. 4 buttons on the bottom of the screen, looking just like everybody else. Samsung revolutionized the business. Why did you think Samsung had so many sales? Because they let this guy do his job. They let him do his job. Home button did his job. And they brought Samsung popularity up, and it went up and away, went to the moon. But now, it's coming back. Because Samsung decided to turn. Don't they see that they had something good going? In the greatest swampland area in the United States of America. The S8 will be arriving tomorrow. What you gonna do about this button? So, March 28, 2017, Samsung sent me a casket for the home button. This is this casket paid for by Samsung. Not really, but they paid for by Samsung. We're gonna just say it because give Samsung a good name. Because they need a good name by all the bullshit they doing. But this button was very great to us. It was a good friend. Let me make some fake tears right quick. Yo, yeah. Got some tears falling down. And they hitting the ground. Because when them Samsung made a mistake with the Galaxy S8. So, we don't got nothing else to do but get mad at you, Samsung. terrible funeral. I don't know what you're gonna do, but I am about to finish up this Jack Daniels. But for real, the S8 is being released tomorrow. I really think Samsung screwed up big time. They want to make a phone that take up a screen that take up the whole phone. You could have put a home button on the side, or you could have put a home button on the back. An action button like on this Active series would have been real good. But Samsung, don't you see this? You just laid to rest something good right here. I hope you surprise the hell out of me and find a way to use what you had in a different way. Maybe the home button will be on the back of the phone. That'll be good. We're gonna see tomorrow. It will be time to see it tomorrow, because I think the Galaxy S8 is a mistake. We are here for the final resting spot place. Good old Samsung home button. Be laid to rest in its final resting place to join its fellow friends, family members, like dot matrix printer, tape drives, 5.5 floppy drives, 3.5 floppy drives, 8-inch floppy drives, cassette tapes, 8-track tapes, VCRs, headphone jacks, ball-ended mouse, and many other technology that fell to this same reaper. The home button will be missed unless Samsung do something extraordinary tomorrow with the launch of the S8. But assuming that Samsung just leave this button off, this button will be missed as we lay it to rest. It will be missed. This is a reflection of how Samsung view the home button and the many people who buy their products. As you can see, Samsung do not give a damn. So I'll just say it like this here. Ashes to ashes, and dust to dust. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And the Savage is out of here. Savage scientist. Ed Wood,